how can you use Microsoft Word in an Android phone for assignment? So let me guide you through it. Of course, let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more explanations and videos like this one. So of course, you can download the Word as a standalone, a separate app, which is going to appear, just like any other application on your phone. So you can get inside as usual or just like any other application, and you will be able to start working. Now, the point is, if you want to create a new document or work with an existing one, because when you get inside, you're going to tap on the open icon, which is going to access your device or some other like cloud, for example, the Google Drive or OneDrive, but you can sort of like import an existing document into the app and work on it like this. So if you, for example, have like an existing document which you need to fill out or work on, you can import it this way, but you can as well tap on the plus button in the top right, and you can also start a new one. So you can go with the blank document or go with a template which you might have decided to use. So that's pretty simple. You can, for example, choose a blank one and start working on it. So yeah, that's basically that. Like, you can just write stuff in whatever, and of course you can utilize all of the features for it. Like, you can insert the images or drawings or different stuff, right? So that's like diving deeper into the whole functionality of this application. But naturally, once you are done, you can just share it somewhere. Like, you can share that as an attachment, for example, export it as PDF and then save it in wherever you want or send it over email. So it's pretty much just that. So I hope I was able to quickly guide you through it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely stay tuned for more explanations and guides like this one. But in case you would like to see some more in-depth tutorials, just let me know about that below, and it's possible I'll make more videos about it. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later.